Konnichiwa, minasan. Today on Cooking with Lynja, we're making traditional chicken katsu. The ingredients we need for the katsu sauce are ketchup, soy sauce, brown sugar, mirin, Worcestershire sauce, ginger, garlic, green onions, and rice. And for the chicken katsu, we need chicken breasts, rice wine vinegar, salt, pepper, flour, eggs, panko breadcrumbs, and oil. The first step is to prepare the ingredients that we'll need for later. We grate ginger, mince garlic, slice the chicken, and beat the eggs. Wash 2 cups of rice and cook it for 45 minutes. Next, we work on the katsu sauce. In a medium bowl, we add 1 cup of ketchup, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 3 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 teaspoons of grated ginger, and 2 minced cloves of garlic. Now it's time to start preparing the katsu. We put the chicken slices in a large bowl, add 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar and a pinch of salt and pepper, and let it marinate for at least 15 minutes. While the chicken is marinating, we're going to prepare the breading for the chicken. We grab 3 plates. We put 2 cups of flour on the first plate, 2 beaten eggs on the second plate, and 2 cups of panko on the third. Next, we dip each slice of chicken in the flour, eggs, and panko breadcrumbs. Next, we heat a ½ inch of oil until it's 350 degrees. We cook each slice of chicken for 5 minutes or until both sides are golden brown. Finally, we assemble the dish. We put rice on a plate, top it with chicken, drizzle it with katsu sauce, and garnish with scallions. And that's how you make chicken katsu. See you next time. Sayonara. I made a tiny one for Dobby. Okay, I'm kissing him. Okay, wait. If you like this video, check these out. I know they're both fantastic.